Cool. So Adam, first off, amazing name.
Thank you. Yeah.
So tell me, so first off, I got to say this. This is what pulled me in here. Not even going to lie, I'm a huge goat fan. I saw the goats. I was like, I need to tell me more. They said, we have to give you a demo. So I said, screw it. Let's put the thing on the podcast. Let's demo this to everybody.
Sounds good.
And I feel like I will have earned my goat at that point. How's that sound good?
Yep.
Awesome.
Sounds good.
Okay, so first tell me about kind of just what you do and who you are. And
so Veza, we're focused on authorization. So who has access to your data and what can they do with that access. So we take all of your different cloud providers, identity providers, SaaS applications, on-prem resources, bring that into Veza, into our graph, and give you an end-to-end view of, again, what identities have what access into your data. So once it's in the Veza, we do a bunch of different things around reporting. We can do also access reviews. So a lot of customers tell us they're either not doing access reviews or it's a very manual process.
So are you doing the authorization as well? Like, are you do you have a policy enforcement point and all that
so
stuff?
today we're read only. So today we're focusing on just reporting.
So you're reporting visualization.
Correct.
Got it. Okay.
We are working on a remediation portion of the product to be able to do provisioning.
Okay.
That's coming later this year.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
So tell me, I mean, the first thing that's going to come to my mind is tell me how you're going to excel from just, traditional Splunk that everyone's already kind of got in place.
I'll show you a couple things. So in this particular user, I'm going to look up Andrew. Let me do that one more time. So what I'm looking at here is Andrew's access to all of our systems in our enterprise, right? So all the different places that Andrew has an account. So if Andrew is compromised, and I need to know what my blast radius is if that account did get compromised.
So this is all generated?
This is all generated from the graph once we do the integration.
What determines the columns?
So we build that out on the back end based on the username or properties about the user.
Okay.
This also can be done manually if there's a manual mapping that needs to get done.
Okay.
But generally, we build this out all automatically. So for example, like this S3 bucket, if I wanted to look at how Andrew is getting access to that specific bucket, I can follow the pathway back all the way to the IDP level to show because Andrew is part of these groups, he's able to assume these roles and have these permissions into the bucket. Okay?
So you guys are, I would say, like auditor compliance friendly more than most, right?
Yeah,
that's okay.
For sure.
Cool.
And that's actually a good segue into our access review workflow. And that's where a lot of people are finding value today. So if we go into this one, this is just a GitHub example.
Okay.
So again, a lot of people tell us they're either not doing access reviews or they're done very poorly. But what we're able to do is because we have all these different data systems in Veza, if I was the GitHub manager for my company, I could come in and basically approve or reject the access for all these users.
So you're more than just reporting.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we're more about visibility, not just reporting.
Got it. Right? Okay.
Yep. So if I reject this access now, what that does is fires off in the background a bunch of different options to get that remediated. So we'll tie into like a ServiceNow workflow or an Okta workflow or a webhook of some kind to get that remediated and taken care of.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very cool, man.
Yeah.
So if people want to find out more about your product, do you have what's like your website, what's your online stuff? Do you have demos available?
Yep, Veza.com. Go check us out there.
Okay.
And you can sign up for a demo there, sign up to have someone get a hold of you. We'd be happy to talk to you.
Is this purely SaaS, by the way?
Yep.
Okay, it looks like it, right?
Purely SaaS, yep.
Nice.
We do connect to on-prem resources as well.
Okay.
But we are a SaaS product.
Very cool. I appreciate it.
Cool. Thanks for
you.
stopping by.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Thank you for the goat.
Yep.